Hello everyone. In this video, we will discuss about the artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence, or AI, simulates human intelligence in machines. These systems can perform tasks like visual perception, speech recognition, decision-making, and language translation, mimicking human capabilities. AI includes machine learning, where machines learn from data, and deep learning, a subset involving neural networks. Natural language processing, or NLP, helps machines understand and generate human language. Computer vision allows machines to interpret images and videos, while robotics enables autonomous task performance. AI automates repetitive tasks, enhancing efficiency and reducing costs. It improves decision-making through data analysis and predictive analytics. AI also personalizes customer experiences and supports 24/7 service. In healthcare, AI aids in diagnosis and treatment, while in security, it detects threats and prevents fraud. AI faces challenges like algorithmic bias, ensuring fairness, and maintaining data privacy. Cybersecurity is crucial to protect AI systems. Job displacement due to automation requires workforce reskilling, and transparency in AI decisions is essential for accountability. AI is evolving towards general AI with human-like cognitive abilities and quantum computing, which could exponentially boost AI capabilities. Responsible and ethical AI use promises unprecedented innovation, efficiency, and growth across various domains.